Personal Food Computer. Personal Food Computer 3.0, the Open Agriculture Initiative, MIT Media Lab. A plexiglass greenhouse box with a computerized lid sits on a table. The Personal Food Computer is an open-source growth chamber able to be downloaded and built by nerd farmers interested in growing and hacking their own food. 5 basil seedlings with small plugs of soil grow inside a clear plexiglass box. A single-board computer controls and collects data on the growth chamber's environmental variables, including light spectrum, CO2, temperature, humidity, and hydroponic nutrients. A lid features an exposed motherboard, complete with an intricate network of processors, chips, fans, and black and red wires. The seedlings are accessed through an opening in the side of the box. The control system allows for PFC EDU users to design environmental recipes for a precise expression on plant phenotypes, including flavor. When the channel is altered, the light inside the box changes from white to red to violet and back to white again. Rows of tiny seedlings sprout and grow in fast motion. Inside a greenhouse box, a healthy green basil plant continues to grow. PFC EDU captures visual and environmental data throughout the course of the plant's life cycle, using machine learning to continuously optimize the system's growth conditions. Through these data correlations, the PFC can pinpoint the environmental origins of a plant's flavor outcome. Example: high humidity results in sweeter basil. Graphs plot flavor compounds found in different kinds of basil. Users control PFC EDU and share environmental recipes with fellow nerd farmers through OpenAg's web-based user interface. A computer interface is navigated. A computer animation shows a diagram being deconstructed into interlocking parts. Routers cut pieces from purple, white, and red sheets of plexiglass. The device is digitally fabricated from its open-source files and can be rapidly assembled and deployed by students, educators, and researchers alike. The pieces are organized and assembled into boxes. Students and teachers use PFC EDU as a platform for learning computer science, electrical engineering, and plant science. The students assemble a box and add a tiny seedling.